Pinnacle is a ring and rubber band routine that uses a borrowed ring and an ordinary rubber band. Each of the 4 phases has the rubber band penetrate the ring strand by strand. I've been performing Pinnacle for over 20 years, and in this download, I'll be showing you a few nuances that have never been seen before, adding to the magic moments within this 4-phase routine. You're bringing in someone's borrowed ring, something ungimmicked, and create true magic right before their eyes. My name is Russ, Niedzwiecki, and this is Pinnacle.